Hello, Le Cocktail Connoisseur. I'm Jeremy, director from NOXE here in Barcelona, and we're going to make one of our classic cocktails, which is called Wabi Sabi. So we start with the equal parts of mezcal and fino sherry, 25 milliliters of each. We're going to add some green shiso cordial, 25 milliliters too. We're going to put a touch of bitterness with bitter bianco. And a touch of gin, 10 milliliters too. Some ice. And we're gonna roll a little bit. There you go. Put big ice cube. There you go. And we finish with the green Sancho leaf. Salud.